So you've dipped your toes into the exciting world of crypto, bought some Bitcoin or Ethereum, and maybe even watched it climb in value. But what if you're ready to take some profits or just need that cash back in your hands? How do you actually sell your crypto and get that sweet, sweet Canadian dollar value back into your account? Introducing Newton 015 to 045. Well, fear not, crypto comrades. Today we're diving into Newton, a user-friendly Canadian crypto exchange platform that makes selling your crypto a breeze. Whether you're a seasoned crypto shark or a curious newcomer, Newton offers a smooth and secure way to convert your crypto holdings back into good old CAD. Benefits of selling on Newton 045 to 115. Now, before we jump into the nitty-gritty steps, let's talk about why Newton might be the perfect platform for you. First off, it's Canadian-based, which means you're dealing with a platform that understands the local regulations and makes the whole process nice and transparent. Plus, Newton boasts some of the lowest fees in the game, so you can maximize your returns when you sell. On top of that, Newton is known for its user-friendly interface. No complex charts or confusing jargon here. They keep it simple and straightforward, even for crypto newbies. Getting started, logging in and finding the trade menu, 115 to 145. Alright, with that in mind, let's get down to business. First things first, you'll need to be logged into your Newton account. If you haven't signed up yet, the process is quick and easy. Once you're in, you're looking for the trade section. It's usually located prominently on the dashboard or navigation menu. Selecting your crypto and CAD, 145 to 215. Now you'll see a trading interface. Don't be intimidated. Here's the breakdown. You'll find two drop-down menus. In the top one, you'll choose the cryptocurrency you want to sell, Bitcoin, Ethereum, or whichever one you hold. In the bottom menu, select Good Old Canadian Dollars, CAD. This basically tells the platform you're converting your crypto into CAD. Choosing your sell method, market order versus limit order, 2:15 to 3 o'clock. Here's where things might get a tad bit technical, but don't worry, we'll keep it simple. Newton offers two ways to sell your crypto, market orders and limit orders. A market order is the quickest and easiest option. You simply enter the amount of crypto you want to sell, and Newton will execute the trade at the current market price. This is great if you just want to sell your crypto fast and get the CAD in your account. However, if you're a bit more strategic and have a specific price in mind for your crypto, you can use a limit order. With this option, you set the price you're willing to sell at. The trade will only be executed if the market price reaches your chosen limit. This gives you more control over your sale, but there's no guarantee your order will be filled. Entering the amount and reviewing the trade, 3 to 345. Alright, so you've chosen your crypto and CAD pairing, and you know your selling method. Now comes the fun part, entering the amount. Here, you can either choose how much crypto you want to sell, or how much CAD you want to receive in return. Newton will automatically calculate the other side of the equation for you. Once you've entered the amount, it's always a good idea to double-check everything before hitting that Review Trade button. This screen will give you a clear breakdown of the transaction, including the amount of crypto you're selling, the estimated CAD you'll receive, and the fees involved. Confirming the sale, 3:45 to 4 o'clock. If everything looks good, give it a final review and then hit Sell Your Crypto to confirm the trade. Newton will take care of the rest, converting your crypto into CAD and depositing it into your account. Success! Your crypto is now cash, 4 to 415. And there you have it. You've successfully sold your crypto on Newton and have that sweet, sweet CAD back in your account. It's really that simple.